Ever wondered about the mysteries of the Pacific Ocean, with its vast depths and undiscovered wonders? Dive into the enigmatic world of the Mariana Trench, the deepest point on Earth, home to unique creatures adapted to extreme pressure. Discover the mesmerizing Great Barrier Reef, a kaleidoscope of colors teeming with marine life, a natural wonder visible from space. Explore the Ring of Fire, a region of seismic activity and volcanic eruptions surrounding the Pacific Ocean, shaping the Earth's geology. Uncover the legend of the Bermuda Triangle, a mysterious area in the Atlantic Ocean connected to the Pacific, where ships and planes vanish without a trace.